flight picked up an unusual heat signature a couple of clicks off coast a few hours ago. That's all I've got.
What sort of retrieval are we talking about?
That's classified.
Can't sound right, little housing.
Trebamo ciężko pić. Хочешь, да предamo na plaż. Damo napred.
It was an ambush. Both choppers down. Hostiles are organized and heavily armed.
This is MI6. We're taking control of this mission effective immediately. Are you injured?
I'll live.
Good, because we need your help. What's your name, soldier?
Bond.
Oh, you're not SAS.
Air crewman.
In training. We'll have to make do. I need you to be our eyes and ears on site. Do you see a camp?
No, but there's some light coming from the other side of the mountain.
That's it. Get there.
Up's the way. Gotta be a way over there.
What was that? I'll check it out.
Are you sure you're up for this? Adrenaline can mask even significant damage.
Better keep those levels up then.
What is it?
Just taking in the view.
Tell me what you see.
It looks like the hostiles are heading back to the camp.
Tell me about them.
They're an international group, speaking English but with accents, capable and well organized. Ex-military. Firearms are unfamiliar, I guess. Special issue.
That's good. But keep your eyes peeled.
Tell me, why is MI6 getting involved here?
The retrieval camp has been compromised. How and by whom is what I need your help figuring out.
Yeah, but why MI6?
That's classified.
Okay. Well, who's running the retrieval mission then?
Also classified.
How can I help if I don't know what's going on?
By doing exactly what I tell you.
Yes, Mom.
Have you located the camp?
Not yet. I hope I'll see it when I clear the top. Retrieval mission? Of what exactly? Alien technology?
Not quite.
What then?
How long were you in the water for?
You're dodging the question.
Then you're hypothermic. Get to the camp and find some warm clothes. I need you operational.
You and me both. Fingers are the first to go.
What?
In the cold. First they hurt, then nothing.
Right.
I see some perimeter markers.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Fingers and toes. Water certainly doesn't help.
You're in water again.
Better than getting spotted.
Predict the entire camp and perimeter.
Enough to level this place.
Yeah. Huh. This one's armed.
They are all armed.
Thank you, MI6.
Saves us the trouble.
MI6 explosives. You're the ones running the retrieval mission.
Not officially.
And you set up a grid of high explosives covering the whole area.
It's a post-mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization. I didn't want you to get worried.
Chemical sterilization. What's to worry about?
Thermo. And it's quite safe. What's not, however, is you still out in the cold.
Yes, I know. There's a window here I could get through. That'll do.
Good news?
Parker.
Stigos. Де си бил до сега?
Отпусти се! Стижам за секунд.
You speak Serbian.
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
A man of hidden talents. Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found a receipt in the jacket. Berlin Cafe, November 17th. Paid in cash.
Interesting. Keep it coming.
Someone's lying here. He's been shot.
Vitals?
He's dead. Foster. One of yours?
Senior engineer. Keep going.
I found one of their guns.
What kind?
It's a TXK biome. Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant. Heading into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Whatever makes you think.
Like your inscription. S. Popovich.
Good. Too common a name. Keep looking.
Com device. Military-grade layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
Patch. Red and white checkers.
In this context? Could reference Croatia.
Torn grid map here.
That's just a site explosives protocol from the MI6 handbook.
Rocket launcher. Serial 394KLB211.
The launcher is part of a US shipment stolen in Algiers 9 years ago.
That was fast.
Keep digging. We're not done.
What you doing? My belly crushed that thing, and it started moving. Hey, you! Back this up for me. Your boat's right there. Damn thing. Where's Jolan when you need him?
Wasn't up for it this time. Those 9 mil lost on the German job. And that cleanup, that was mess. Hey! You've got to see this! Come on, let's check it out.
You've got this, right? Good man.
Some of them just mentioned a messy German job. 9 million lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as Arrowhead. Notorious for never leaving any witnesses. Listen, I'm going to ask you to enter the big central tent. But what you learn in there can never be mentioned to anyone. Understood?
Heading there now.
I'm serious, Bond. You haven't signed the Official Secrets Act. I need to hear you say that you accept and acknowledge its ramifications.
I accept and acknowledge. Entering now. Any bombs I should know of?
None you should know of. No.
So? Lay it on me.
I can't. You're still on a need-to-know basis.
Figures.
Mission Protocol Grey Envelope forbids any overrep mention at this encryption level. Will not discuss any specifics. Now, do you see the object?
I'm afraid that's classified.
Touche.
What's that noise?
What?
Distortion. Oscillating. Oh. Now it's gone. I'm looking at the thing now. Or what's left of it.
I need you to look for the OBC unit inside.
OBC. And that is?
Right. Onboard computer. The size of a shoebox. Probably suspended in some shock-absorbent webbing.
It's gone.
Damn. Have a look around the tent for it.
On it. Whoa.
What is it?
I don't feel well.
Just keep looking.
Are you sure it's completely sealed? It's sealed. Come on.
Someone's coming. They're wearing hazmat suits. Should I worry?
Give me a sec.
We got what we came for. Let's get the hell out of here. We get on the Zap and in 3 weeks, strike gold in Brazil. Works for me. The others are preparing the final cleanup now. Ever been to Brazil? First time. What's it like? Beaches are...
Bond, did you mention sound distortion before?
Yeah.
I need you to do exactly as I say. Do you see the red door? Head for it. Right now.
What?
You need an antidote. You've been exposed to a nerve agent.
What's this?
Decontamination.
What exactly am I looking for?
A green box with a bright orange stripe. Probably tucked away somewhere.
Which one?
What?
There's two of them.
The orange one. Do not use the other.
Here goes nothing. God.
Bond? You okay?
That might be pushing it. what next?
Have a little rest and then get to somewhere safe. You've done great. We'll have an extraction team pick you up in about an hour.
They still have that thing you're after and they're about to leave.
Yes, and we'll let them. Thanks to you, we've been able to deduce exactly who the buyer is, where they'll be meeting, and at what time. We'll intercept in a controlled environment with no risk to the asset. You just get out of the camp, sit tight.
One of your crew's still alive. Hostiles have him. I don't fancy his chances. I'll follow, see what I can do.
You're in no state. They'll spot you and kill you. Remember who you're up against.
Now you start to worry about me.
I'm taking this one to the others. G9 or B4? Doesn't matter. They're all inside the cluster. What's the point then? They're all going to die anyway.
They just shot him.
No witnesses.
I think some of the others are still alive, but the hostiles plan to blow up the place.
You need to get out of the blast zone.
Oh, I need to save those people.
That is not your call. Stand down. That's an order. Listen carefully. You have less than 1% chance of success. Now stand down.
I'll take those odds.
Bond.
Okay, James. 2 containers. B4 or G9. Which one's first? Okay, no time to hesitate. Those people need my help. Should be able to use that crevasse to avoid being spotted. Container G9. That's where I'll find the captives.
First time working with Dora. No, working with him on the job of jump 20 feet. Cameraman, huh? Biggest score I ever worked. Should have seen it. I'd rather be rich than famous.
I'm backing out now, James. Need to find those captives.
I wish we had some of
Heavy
this
duty.
gear and kick.
Just what I
ass.
need.
That Brit was...
Do you mind?
What are you doing? I'm not doing anything! Just stop it! How? I don't know how to drive this thing! Shit! Help me get our stuff out of the way!
Good girl. This should keep them busy. How about some privacy?
Hey! Stop, jump! Stop!
Container B4. There's captives in there.
wounded ourselves. You could have saved them if you had spoken up.
Thank God. You're finally here.
Listen, we need to get you out of here. The hostiles plan to blow up the camp.
They can't. That idiot was in charge of the detonator.
Still, these guys are bad news. We need to go.
We'll never get away. We're unarmed and outnumbered. Shut it, Cleaves. Obviously, this guy's not on his own.
Well, actually.
Shit. Here, the detonator. You better take it.
We just need a distraction.
What about the others? They're in container G9 on the opposite side of the camp.
The others. Right. You stay put and wait for my signal, then run east.
What signal?
You'll know when you see it.
Good luck.
All right, the captives. Let's hope Lady Luck is on my side tonight.
Look at this. The guy was driving home to his wife. Miss you, tell Thomas and Martha Daddy loves them very much. And we'll see them soon.
Looks like Daddy will miss a few more bedtime snores.
That's cold. We could ride them back and rather than beg like a dog.
Now that's not a bad idea.
Remind me why I'm the one, babies.
Bet you didn't see that coming. There you are.
Oh, thank God.
Listen, we need to get you out of here. I already freed the others. They're waiting for my signal.
Can't the other guys deal with the hostiles and we just sit tight and wait?
I'm all you've got.
And your signal. What is it?
Any ideas?
Christ, you don't know.
It's got to be something big. How about toppling the central mast? It's barely standing in this storm. Snap one of the wires, and I bet that'll be enough.
Good. That's our plan. When it goes down, you run east.
Godspeed.
That wire won't break free on its own. All right. Time to bring the house down.
Come on!
That should start things up a bit. There Everybody okay? Follow me this way. There's a way out. Come on! Stop! I've got the detonator! Hold your fire!
What is this now? You wanna blow us up?
Yeah, thinking about it.
And destroy the asset? MI6 would never.
I'm not MI6.